An enzyme is a class of proteins. They catalyze biological reactions. They are in all of our systems doing a huge amount of the work in our cells. You'll see them in your laundry detergent, in lots of your food products. They're wildly important for us to live and for us to have our normal sort of daily lives. Enzyme design is to engineer enzymes to meet the needs that we have as humans in this world. Design to Data is our national undergraduate research network. It's a program that involves students in enzyme design, where they make mutations that they are interested in and characterize those mutant enzymes, contributing to an open access and nationally accessible database.
Hi, my name is Shreya Sivas. I'm going to be a fourth year this upcoming fall, and I'm an NPP major here at Davis. This was my very first true research experience, and being able to talk about it in my applications has been something that I'm immensely grateful for. This experience has taught me to persevere, because a lot of research is failing, and then you try and you fail and you try, and it's that cycle, and then you eventually succeed. And that perseverance also translates to a lot of aspects of life in general, but definitely in terms of career.
Right now, there are limited functional data sets that exist that would allow us to train computer programs to help us with this, to make those tools. And so these functional data sets are missing in the field.
My name is Claire Huntington. I am a fourth year, and I'm a biotechnology major with an emphasis on microbiology. I wanted to get experience hands-on doing research. My first year was online. My first year and a half was online because of COVID, and so I was just really keen on getting hands-on experience. The D2D program is a great way for students to get hands-on research experience while collaborating to a larger data set that could be really important. I think with undergrad research, it's hard to get your foot in the door, and once you get that first experience, the ball can kind of start rolling. So I got this experience, and I was able to talk about it and get further internships and other job experiences that have even broadened my research experience and capabilities as a whole.
Band on the ladder correlates to its size, and so by the end, once we stain it.
I worked in this lab for a year, but then I got to mentor, for the past 2 years, and I get to teach people and get other people interested in research who they show up, they don't know if they like this, they might not have ever pipetted before, and I work with them, and 6 months later they love it and they're doing their own project.